Hello my friends, so this day is here and I am installing the MKB headers on my car, and here you can see I started to removing everything completely from the engine. Here you can see my engine empty from the coils, spark plug, boots, engine intake filter, intake tube, and also I will show you now additionally what I have to remove from it to do the job quickly. Here we are my friends, this is driver side. Also every coil and spark plug boots are removed. I remove also the washer reservoir here, a little bit wet but nothing wrong in overall, and here we have excess on the stock header, and now we are ready. My friends, the job is in working progress. We also removed the oxygen sensors here, and also removed the downpipes from the headers itself, both sides. Now we will remove the headers which are installed with the 10mm bolts on the heads. The headers are removed, and now if we compare them to the MKB ones, I mean stock versus MKB1, here you can see how evolution is MKB headers versus to the stocks. Stocks are very restricted, and this is one of the most part I hated on M113 engines, and that's why I am happy now to have a chance finally to install these MKB headers on my car. Here you can see how the engine looks without headers. Guys, you must play with the driver side engine mount to remove the stock header, and then to be able to install the MKB Kliman or any other stuff like this. I mean that you must remove the button bolts which are 30mm, which secure the engine mounts, and then play with them mostly with the driver side one. And also you must remove the fan clutch not to damage anything when you will lift a little bit the engine to get more access and the space. Here is the stock downpipes which we removed from my car. Now we will need oxygen sensor inserts which we will cut from here and weld into the new downpipes, which will be custom made from 63mm stainless steel tubes. Once again, this is a closer look. Everything is removed, and the space is enough here on the passenger side to install the new header. And also if we look here on the driver side, we lifted up a little bit the engine, and here we have enough room to work with the header. The steering rack was the only part which is on the way, but you will pass it if you will gently and push up the engine a little bit. Otherwise this is the job which needs very big amount of the time, but everything is possible to make properly. Here you can see we have inserted the new MKB header, and now we will fit it on the studs. We installed 16 new studs on the engine block. I will not reuse old ones, and now we will try to fit new header on the place. This is driver side, guys. And here we are, my friends. The driver side MKB header is installed on the block itself. 8 new studs and 8 new copper bolts, which were original one, also is installed on their places. We have welded the oxygen sensor insert and also installed the first oxygen sensor. It does not touch anything, and we have enough room to be sure that everything will work properly. And here is the header itself. It looks very cool. I like it very much, to be honest. So my friends, the headers are installed. The passenger side one is very easy. We have only difficulties with the driver side one. Now I am assembling the engine bay and installing all the parts on it. Here you can see the coils are installed. I also installed the spark plug wires or boots on their places. And here you can see the passenger side MKB header is also mounted, and we also installed the oxygen sensor on this side. From first view I like it very much. Great stuff, guys. And the same story with the driver side. And I want to point out that for the job on the driver side, I also had to remove the bottom side shield, excuse me, which is installed under the steering rack. But then after installing the header, we installed that this heat shield on its place without any problem, and here everything is installed properly, and there is enough room to be every detail work without any problem. Here you can see. And here is the final look on this stage of my car. New engine sway bar and newly custom-made downpipes, passenger and the driver side with oxygen sensors. You can see they are made from 63mm stainless steel tubes. Everything works very good, but I have still to make the last section of my exhaust from the stainless steel. I mean the section from Y pipe till the AMG box. Very soon I will make it, and then we'll show you the final result of my freshly developed custom-made stainless steel exhaust system with MKB headers. So my friends, hope this video was informational for you. I have had no time to show you all the details how I removed the stuff and installed them. If you have any questions, ask me and I will be happy to help you. In overall, this job may be done in 2 or 3 days. You must be gentle, you know, the parts are not new, they tend to be cracked or defective, and you must be very gentle. In my case, thanks to the God, everything was removable, and then I installed them without any defect, so I'm very happy of it. Once again, this was a little report after making the back section with 76mm stainless steel tube. I will also show you the whole exhaust system, and then I will show you the sound of my car and share you my experience about this headers and system in overall. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe, stay tuned, and catch you in the next episode. Goodbye, greetings from me.